Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to remove wireless network in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to remove wireless network, first of all go to Start and search for Wi-Fi. And over here click on this Wi-Fi setting. Now over here you can find this interface. Now here is Manage Node Networks. Click on this and over here are the list of networks on which you are connected. Now to remove any networks from here, now I'll go with this Nokia and over here you can see Forget. Thus click on this Forget and you can see we have successfully removed that network. So in this way we can remove wireless networks in Windows 10. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.